A very good morning to all of you. Now, in continuation with the previous lecture, that is, we have dealt with the different type of antibodies. Today, we are dealing with the structures of this particular antibody. So, when we are dealing with the monomer, means it is having only a Y-shaped structure. So, monomer, this particular structure, or you can say a single Y-shaped structure, it is present in IgD, IgE, and IgG. So, IgG, it is the particular antibody which will cross the placenta only. But this particular antibody, it provides protection to the fetus and it is having only a Y-shaped structure. In the same manner, moving on the second one, that is IgA, it is having a dimer structure. Dimer structure means two Y-shaped structure. So these two Y-shaped structure, they are bonded, and this particular IgA, it is also known as a secretory antibody. Why? Because it is present in the secretions. These are present in our saliva, they are present in our tears, they are present in the mother milk. And now this is the most important one, that is the IgM, which is having a pentameric structure, that is 5 Y-shaped structure. So this is a particular antibody which will appear in our serum when we are being infected by a virus or a bacteria, or you can say when our body is suffering from any type of infection. So IgM, it will give us information that we are suffering from any type of infection. So these are the different type of structures, you can say, on the basis of heavy chains. Also, we are going to define IgG as gamma. It is having gamma Y chain. When we are dealing with the IgA or immunoglobulin A, its heavy chain is alpha. When we are dealing with IgM, or you can say the pentameric structure, this particular antibody, it is having the mu as a heavy chain. And when we are dealing with IgD, it is having a delta as a heavy chain. And when we are dealing with IgE, it is having epsilon as the heavy chain. So this is all about the different type of structures of the antibody which we are having and which behaving as the second line or third line of defense in our body. So these are the different type of antibodies on the basis of their heavy chains.